Tired of searching endlessly for your keys, wallet, or even your pet? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is the ultimate solution, designed to bring peace of mind to your busy life. What makes AirTag truly special is its incredible precision finding feature, leveraging Apple's U1 chip for Ultra Wideband technology. If you have an iPhone 11 or newer, this means you get on-screen directions, distances, and even haptic feedback, guiding you right to your lost item, even if it's under the couch. Setting up these brilliant Bluetooth trackers couldn't be easier. It's a one-tap process with your iPhone, instantly linking them to your Apple ID. Plus, with an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, you don't have to worry about a little rain or a dusty adventure. Your AirTag can handle it. This integration within the Apple ecosystem, combined with the vast Find My network, makes AirTag one of the most reliable and best electronics for tracking your valuables available today. If you're looking for the best tracker for keys, luggage, or anything you can imagine, grab your own Apple AirTag 4-pack today. Find the Amazon link below. Imagine never having that frantic, "Where is it?" moment again. AirTag takes the stress out of keeping track of your essentials. Unlike other trackers, the global reach of Apple's Find My network means even if your item is miles away, other Apple devices can anonymously help pinpoint its location. So for unparalleled peace of mind and the ultimate lost item recovery tool, the Apple AirTag is absolutely worth it. Click the link to get yours now.